Personal Finance Crash Course, an overview. Introduction. Personal finance plays a crucial role in our lives, influencing our financial well-being and overall quality of life. In this crash course, we will provide an overview of personal finance, share interesting stories and examples, discuss 12 practical advice, tools, and resources to make informed financial decisions, and conclude with a poem and a song that capture the essence of this topic. Section 1: Understanding Personal Finance. Personal finance refers to the management of one's financial resources, including income, expenses, savings, investments, and debt. It encompasses various aspects such as budgeting, financial goal setting, retirement planning, insurance, and tax management. Developing a solid understanding of personal finance is essential for making informed decisions and securing a stable financial future. Interesting story: the financial journey of Mark and Emily. Mark and Emily, a young couple, found themselves struggling with their finances despite earning decent incomes. They decided to educate themselves on personal finance and take control of their financial situation. Through careful budgeting, reducing unnecessary expenses, and investing in their financial education, they were able to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, and start saving for their future. Mark and Emily's story demonstrates the power of personal finance knowledge and the positive impact it can have on individuals and families. Section 2: Practical Advice, Tools, and Resources for Personal Finance. 1. Budgeting. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Allocate your funds towards essential expenses, savings, and debt repayment, while leaving room for discretionary spending. 2. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account for financial security. 3. Debt management. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card debt, as soon as possible. Consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche method to accelerate your debt repayment. 4. Retirement planning. Start saving for retirement early. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs and take advantage of any employer matching contributions. Understand your investment options and seek professional advice if needed. 5. Insurance. Evaluate your insurance needs, including health, life, disability, and property insurance. Ensure you have adequate coverage to protect yourself and your assets in case of unexpected events. 6. Tax planning. Familiarize yourself with tax laws and seek ways to optimize your tax situation. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts, deductions, and credits to minimize your tax liability. 7. Investment basics. Learn about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Understand the risk and return associated with each investment type and diversify your portfolio for long-term growth. 8. Financial education. Invest in your financial education through books, online courses, or workshops. Enhance your knowledge of personal finance topics, including budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. 9. Credit score management. Monitor your credit score regularly and take steps to improve it. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and review your credit reports for any errors or discrepancies. 10. Estate planning. Consider estate planning to protect your assets and ensure your wishes are carried out. Create essential documents such as wills, power of attorney, and healthcare directives. 11. Financial tools and apps. Utilize financial tools and apps that can simplify budgeting, expense tracking, and goal setting. Examples include Mint, Personal Capital, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Acorns. 12. Professional financial advice. Seek professional guidance from financial advisors or planners for complex financial situations or long-term planning. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific goals and circumstances. Section 3: Summarize and reflect. In this crash course on personal finance, we explored the importance of making informed financial decisions and improving our financial well-being. We shared the story of Mark and Emily, who took control of their finances through education and proactive steps. Additionally, we discussed 12 practical advice, tools, and resources that can help individuals manage their personal finances effectively, including budgeting, emergency funds, debt management, retirement planning, insurance, tax planning, investment basics, financial education, credit score management, estate planning, financial tools and apps, and seeking professional advice. Personal finance is a lifelong journey that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and discipline. By implementing these strategies and utilizing the available tools and resources, individuals can gain greater control over their financial lives and work towards achieving their financial goals. Whether it is building an emergency fund, paying off debt, saving for retirement, or protecting assets, each step taken contributes to a more secure financial future. Conclusion: personal finance is a fundamental aspect of our lives that impacts our financial well-being and overall quality of life. By understanding the principles of personal finance and implementing practical strategies, we can make informed decisions, build wealth, and achieve our financial goals. From budgeting and debt management to retirement planning and estate planning, each aspect plays a crucial role in securing our financial future. Remember, personal finance is a dynamic field, and it is important to stay informed about new developments and adapt to changing circumstances. Take the time to educate yourself, seek professional advice when necessary, and consistently review and revise your financial plans. With dedication and perseverance, you can gain control over your finances and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Poem. In the realm of personal finance, we reside. A journey of knowledge, by our side. Budgeting our dreams, expenses in line. Building a fortress, where finances align. Emergency funds, a shield of might. Guarding against the unexpected's bite. Debt's heavy burden, we choose to shed. With each payment, freedom lies ahead. Retirement's call, a distant song. We save and invest, to dance along. Insurance's embrace, a shield of care. Protecting us from life's unforeseen glare. Taxes we navigate, with knowledge and skill. Optimizing our returns, a mindful thrill. Investments realm, we venture with care. Diversifying our portfolio, wealth we share. Financial education, a beacon's light. Igniting our minds, expanding our sight. Credit scores we nurture, with diligence and grace. Opening doors, with each wise embrace. Estate's legacy, we craft with intent. Preserving our wishes, to represent. Tools and apps, we utilize with zest. Simplifying our journey, at our behest. Professional guidance, a compass true. Guiding us forward, to chart our view. In the realm of personal finance, we thrive. A symphony of choices, in which we dive. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of personal finance, we stand. Navigating the path with a steady hand. Budgeting our hopes, dreams, and desires. Building a foundation that never tires. Chorus. Oh, personal finance, our guiding light. Empowering us to make choices bright. From debt management to investments grand. We'll take control and firmly stand. Verse 2. Retirement calls with a whispering tune. We save and invest, the future blooms. Insurance shields, protecting what we hold. In times of uncertainty, we remain bold. Chorus. Oh, personal finance, our guiding light. Empowering us to make choices bright. From debt management to investments grand. We'll take control and firmly stand. Bridge. With financial education as our guide. We'll navigate the waters with the rising tide. Tools and resources, at our fingertips. Simplifying our journey, as we set sail on this financial ship. Verse 3. Credit scores we nurture, like a delicate flower. Paying bills on time, with every waking hour. Estate planning ensures our legacies secure. Our wishes honored, of that we can be sure. Chorus. Oh, personal finance, our guiding light. Empowering us to make choices bright. From debt management to investments grand. We'll take control and firmly stand. Verse 4. Seeking professional advice when the path is unclear. They'll guide us through, dispelling any fear. In this realm of personal finance, we find a world of possibilities, where dreams align. Chorus. Oh, personal finance, our guiding light. Empowering us to make choices bright. From debt management to investments grand. We'll take control and firmly stand. Bridge. With knowledge and wisdom as our greatest tool. We'll navigate the challenges, never to be a fool. For in the realm of personal finance, we see a future of abundance and financial glee. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.